beautiful people, you are watching Simply Serena, and I'm back with another video. Yes, I said it, back with another one. You guys have been requesting this video for a long time, okay, and I've been holding it off because look at all of these pimples. Like, they're so fucking ugly. Like, what the fuck is this? Like, oh, we're not gonna get to that. We're not gonna get into that. What I'm actually here to do is an actual eyebrow tutorial that I've been telling you guys I was gonna do for the longest and haven't done it yet. I'm so sorry. I've been really busy. I work a lot, so yeah. Let's get started. So what we're first gonna do is we're gonna open our container. I kind of like to pinch my brush for some reason to make it extra thinner. It's going to be kind of hard to look at you guys too at the same time and do my eyebrow. Trust indeed. I'm going to be looking at the mirror plus trying to focus on you beautiful people. I'm talking to you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. My eyebrows actually need to be hit, to be honest, because they kind of look a little crusty or whatever. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to outline my eyebrow. Okay, so this is where I'm looking at the computer. Or the computer. I'm really dumb. I mean, this is where I'm going to be looking at the mirror and plus back to you guys. Okay, so first I'm going to be brushing my eyebrows. I like to brush them kind of like, you know, where they're growing. And I'm going to outline my bottom brow. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the top now. And what I'm going to do with the top is I'm just going to go from here. So you see I still have like a little, I want to say like 3 inches of my brow still in the front. So I'm going to kind of go back to the wing and outline here. There's some product still on my brush, as you can see. There's some product still on my brush. So what I would do is I would kind of like shade it in, but towards the wing area, and bring it back to where I half did that line up top. And I will just shade it with the rest of the product on my brush so I don't have to use as much product, because I really don't like that much product on my face. So now it's like that, if you can see that. Yeah. So what I do is get the little brush, whatever you call it, and I kind of like drag the product from the back to the front, if that makes sense. So I'll drag it to the back and I'll bring it to the front, and eventually it will guide to the front like so. So it's kind of giving me that faded effect. And I kind of go back and I dip it on my hand. So you know how I dipped it in the product and I put it on my hand? Instead of going back in the product, what I would do is I would dip it on my hand, like press it to my hand, and I will put some more product where I feel like it needs to be. So if I feel like I have gaps in my eyebrows, which I think it do, I will kind of like fill them in like so, but with the product on my hand instead of re-dipping. If you want to re-dip, that's fine. That's up to you. Everybody got their own little, you know, strokes for different folks type of phase. This is how I like to do it, because I like to save product and save money, and this shit ain't cheap. So I'm doing that. Then I'm gonna brush it again. So what I'll do is I'll get my concealer. This is way lighter than my skin would be. So this is what I have. It's all dirty. I'm so sorry. This is what I have. It's the matte version. So I will put a little bit on my hand. Sorry about my little sis, you guys. I know it's there. I know. Okay, so I will put it just like that. I don't need that much. I'll put it like that. I kind of want to use this really quickly because, like I said, it is matte. And it dries up really fast. So what I'll do now is I'll take my little thin brush. I don't know the name of these brushes. I don't care. I just use the brush that fits me at the moment. I've always used this on my eyebrow, so just a flat kind of brush is what you'll use. Dip it, get a little bit of the product on there, and I'll kind of like outline my eyebrow. Now, see how I have a lot on my brush, so I will like just wipe it anywhere, because I'm going to use it around my whole eye anyway if I want to use foundation, or just, you know, because I have like a big black circle around my eye. Duh. But anyways, I kind of like just, oh, it's not too far up. Why y'all didn't tell me? What the fuck, girl? Okay, sis. All right, so I kind of would just slowly put it on, if that makes sense. Slowly, because especially if you're a beginner, even though I'm not a beginner anymore, I still put it on slowly because I just want the line to be super perfect. I want my eyebrow to be super perfect. They say, oh, your eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, not twins. I like my eyebrows to look like twins, and I like them to look like sisters, okay? I want them to be matching together. I want them to dip together. I want them to flow together. I want them to be on fleek together. So I kind of go slow because I get a lot of compliments about them being the same. Then I'll do the top. It's kind of tricky doing the top because I have to kind of twist. This is when I'm in the mirror. I kind of like twist my body like this. I'm like this. It's so weird, but I'm trying not to do that now. So let's see. Because, you know, if you fuck on the top, the whole eyebrow is just fucked. Just throw the whole eyebrow away. Throw it away. Throw the whole eyebrow away. You see the twist I'm doing with my body? It's ridiculous. Now the top looks perfect. So what I do now is I like to go over the bottom. So see me? My eyebrow to me is too thick compared to this. Even though I lined, y'all see me, y'all my witness. Even though I lined my actual eyebrow, it still looks too thick. Maybe because it's kind of darker now, so I kind of got gaps in my real eyebrow, but don't tell nobody that. But yeah, so I sometimes go down more to make it thinner or up. I feel like my ring light is too bright. Like, I don't know. I think it's just too bright. So I'm gonna go over my top. Make sure I got my little wing. I'll get my brush again with the same product and I'll dip it on my hand. Or sometimes it'll be dried out by then because I go really slow on my foundation, so it will dry up. But I'll re-dip it. But if not, then I'll go back over my eyebrow. Or you can do this too if you mess up on your arch, like I was saying earlier. If you don't go too slow on your concealer on top or on the bottom and you kind of like mess up and your hand's too shaky or whatever, you can go back in while your concealer is on there or foundation and you can actually correct it, like remake your shape again, and it actually works perfectly fine. Ooh, the fly, it tried to go on my mouth. Oh my God, there it goes again. Oh my God. In this case, I will blend out any harsh applying that I've done before I put my foundation on. I'm not gonna put it on today, but I'm just gonna show you guys what I do. Like so. And I'll just cover the whole eyelid with the rest of the foundation. So blending the top eyebrow, the bottom eyebrow down to my eyelid. And then when I apply my foundation, I just go over it, like very lightly. So my foundation could like make it blend more, I guess. So yeah, so this is how you do your eyebrow, girl. And now you're gonna look like you on fleek. You see how this line right here is very harsh right here? What I'll do is I will like get my brush that has a little bit of product on it, and I'll just like lightly go over the top part.
Bitch, that fly kept bothering me through the whole fucking video. Oh my God.
So this is how my eyebrow looks after I'm done. A close up on how it looks, if I can. So this is how it looks after the concealer is all over my eyelids. So this is how the finished product looks with the whole eyebrow situation. I'm so sorry that it took so long for me to do this video, but now I'm finally doing it since I'm off early. And like I said, if you want your top lid to not have an outline like I like it, you can apply your foundation all over your head and lightly dab it on it, and then it will kind of like blend in with your foundation. And if you want your highlight on the bottom of your eyelid to be still highlighted, then you just use a lighter shade. But this is how I do it. This is the finished product on how I do my eyebrows. Very simple, very easy. Everyone has their own techniques that they use to get this look. That's a huge difference. Like, that's very huge. That's a huge difference in the eyebrows. It took me, let me see, I was 18 when I started doing makeup, and I'm 22 now. It took me since I was, I want to say 19 to get my eyebrows to be like this. So it took me like a year and a half. But this is how I do it. This is the finished product. I'm so sorry for the late video. I hope you guys forgive me. I will be posting another video shortly. I'm right now experiencing a new challenge, and if you guys want to do the challenge with me, that's okay, and that's fine and dandy with my PCOS supporters. I would love for you to join. Actually, the challenge that I'm doing is called the Boiling Egg Challenge. Maybe you have heard of it, maybe you have not. The Boiling Egg Challenge, what that means is you eat boiled eggs or fried eggs for 7 days or more. You can do it for 7 days or for the whole month with just eggs and water. If you want to join me on this journey, go ahead, but I will update day by day of how I feel on it, and then I will post a before and after picture of what I looked like when I first started the challenge and what I look like after the challenge. And if I decide to go on for the full 30 days, then I will. But if it's not working and I feel like it's not working and I just want to give up, then I'm just gonna do that. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what other type of videos you want me to do, and I will be gladly to do them on time. And yeah, thank you for watching me, Simply Serena, and I'll see you later. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you liked it. Go ahead and follow me on my other social media accounts for more updates. Have a good day.